Hey guys, we are back with another episode. In today's episode, I will be sharing with you my birthday gift. I am so excited to be opening up this gift. I recently just had a birthday and I haven't had a chance to open this up because I wanted to do it on camera with you guys and share my first impressions. So let's go ahead and jump into it, starting with the card that I received. It says, gift message. Happy birthday. May your wishes and dreams come true, and God blesses you with many more wonderful years to come. That was nice. A little cute card that's attached to the box, and this is just an envelope where it says information on your order is enclosed. So let's see. And it just pretty much tell you exactly what it is that was ordered. And in this case, it's the Cassandra leather swing-back sandals, right in time for the spring-summer weather. So it looks like I will be having me some nice shoes. Wrapping is so pretty. Oh, I don't even want to unwrap it, baby. I'm all for wrapping. So let's see what Mama got. Telling you, but I want it to be extra special because I wanted you all to see my birthday gift. I just wanted to share this experience with you guys. So here we have St. Laurent. First it comes with this St. Laurent. Let's see what's in here. We have two little heel, what do you call these? The replacements for the heels when you wear your heels down. So we have two replacements for that. Has it on two separate dust bags for each shoe. Oh, let's see. Oh, yes. Look, guys. Oh my God, they are so pretty. Look at it. The platinum leather YSL sandal strap. Oh my God, let's fit on this table for display. Let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, there's everything that I've dreamed of. This is exactly what I wanted. Yes, I'm excited about these cute shoes. I love the hardware that's on the front and how they have the strap, and you can pretty much size it depending on how your ankle is, how small or wide or whatever your ankle is. But I just love this hardware. I love the platinum leather look. It's round, so that's a plus, and it's a good size for a heel. Everything, I just love these shoes. Yeah, this is going to be one of my go-to shoes for this summer. And I mean, you cannot go wrong with black. Black on black, you can't go wrong with. And that's why I like this platinum leather better. They do have it in gold, and they also have these in the regular black. Got these from Saks Fifth, and sometimes the regular price are $9.87, $9.98, but sometimes they do run the special where you can get $200 or $300 off. So if you catch that, keep your eye on it. You can possibly look up and pay well off $600 some for the shoe. It is not bad. But yeah, I'm gonna model these shoes for you guys, and I hope you like. I will see you on my next video, and until then, take care. These things are bad.